Hey, hello and welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So today I just came from the market, veg market, and I saw the tomatoes. It's very cheap. It's 30 rupees per kg. Can you believe that? So I thought let's buy something because I want to prepare some food which is comfort food because I had lots of spicy food in entire winter. So I am thinking slowly I will go back to the diet. That's why I took this tomato and I'm going to prepare a tomato bhorta. It's very easy. The recipe is very easy and one of my comfort food definitely. I can have tomatoes in salad, but I thought I will prepare this bhorta, and as I said, it's a very easy recipe, and even in summer also you can prepare this recipe, this tomato bhorta, if you are going for the diet. So what you are waiting for? I'll share the recipe. Just go through the recipe and enjoy this comfort and tasty food. So I'm going for the cooking. Okay, let's start with the ingredient. So bhorta is really very easy. I have this 4 medium-sized tomatoes, and you can see over here this is chopped onion and chopped coriander, freshly chopped coriander, and this is the garlic. I have this fat one. If you have the thin one, you can use for this 4 tomato you can use 2, not more than that, and that is sliced onion. And I'm using this red chili, green dry red chili. And this is what mustard oil. I will cook it in mustard oil, and I'm using the salt, so I'm not showing the salt. Actually, the thing is that I forgot to show it. That's okay, you know, without salt we cannot make it. And one more thing, when I am going through the no salt diet, I use this bhorta and I always prepare in the same way. Just the only thing is that I don't add the salt. So that's it, and let's start with the cooking. I am using the grill pan. If you don't have grill pan, that's okay, doesn't matter. First I will heat some oil, mustard oil. I will prefer the mustard oil, it will taste better. And then I have to fry this onion, sliced onion. It won't be deep fry or brown. You don't have to make it brown or bedesta, just you have to make it translucent, that's it. So I have to add it and I will fry it, and then I'll keep it aside. Oh, by the way, the tomato, I need to cut it in half, that's it. So I will come back once it's done. Let me check if it's done or not. Yes, you can see it's a little bit brownish and it's translucent. So it's done, and I will keep it aside. I will use it when I will mash the tomato, the bhorta. So if it's super hot, I cannot mash it with my hand. So I will keep it aside so that it will be little bit warm, not warmer, it's in room temperature actually. And now time to prepare the tomato and that garlic. So I will add this shukno lanka over here and low flame, and I will keep the tomato. Very carefully I have to put this. Okay, I just shouted as it splutter, so there is no accident at all. Don't worry about that. So I have to place the tomato. That's why I always say you have to be very careful during the cooking, any kind of cooking or any kind of shooting. So I will saute the tomato till they are soft. And one thing is what I am going to do in the recipe. In other recipe you can see they will remove the tomato skin, but here I won't remove the tomato skin. I will keep it intact. So the skin I am not going to waste, and I will use the skin in the recipe. So let me grill both sides, and meanwhile I have to check this garlic and this red chili, dry red chili as well, because once if they are fried, so I will keep aside. I don't have to make it deep fry. I have to flip it carefully. So this is how I will flip it. It has to be softened from both sides. Okay, that's sizzling sound. So let me show you. This is done from both sides. As I said, I'm going to use the skin. I'm not going to discard the skin. And let me show you, this garlic is done. So I have to keep aside, let it cool for 10-15 minutes, and then I will finish the cooking. Cooking is finished. I will finish the recipe actually. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. Now I have to mash it. It's still super hot, that's why I'm using this masher. And good thing is that it's sharp, so I can cut it and mash it as well. So I have to mash this. This is the good thing I wanna always do. So let me mash it and I will come back. Okay, it's still hot, but that's okay. Now I will add the salt. Tomato bharta is ready to serve. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen, and just go through Madhurima's Kitchen Google, Facebook and Instagram handle, and you can always give order to me for some delicious food, and new menus are already coming out. Stay tuned and enjoy this tomato bharta.